Cormorant catching fish. Look at him go. Oh.
That was a good snack. Oh, he's going again, dude.
Where is it? Where'd it go?
I don't know. He'll probably pop up with a fish in his mouth. Hey, dude, he came up there, look.
Where did he
went back down? There he is, bud, look. Can't be still hungry with that big fish he ate, man.
What are you doing? Why are you flapping your way up? Oh, God. Uh-oh. Oh. What are you doing?
Who? Me?
No.
There, he's over there. Go. Go, go, go. Watch out for the poop, man.
Uh-oh. Are you sneaking on that goose? Huh? Are you sneaking on that goose? Huh? Are you dancing? What? Stop dancing to the goose. You're supposed to dance to your other species. You're supposed to dance to another cormorant.
See it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Like the inside of his mouth is blue.
What does that even mean if it's blue? Hey, Cormorant, you okay?
He's alright, dude. He's chilling.
Your throat is shaking. So. Looks like you're trying to reflect water with your throat.
Maybe it's the fish trying to come out, dude.
But it's dead.
I don't know, man. Probably it's normal what he's doing, but I don't know why he's doing it.
Jesus, Cormorant. Are you sure you're okay? Are you choking?
You got him, dude?
I got it. Nature is beautiful.
Si tu t'envoies là-bas, là, t'as toute la piste à faire. Parce que je sais pas où est-ce qu'on vous a croisé. T'étais-tu proche du sol? Oui. C'est par la boule. Hé, Antonelle!